Maya Anthony is a contemporary poet known for writing short and meaningful poems about nature, creativity, and everyday life. Her poetry often connects simple, natural elements with human emotions and imagination. She frequently uses vivid imagery and comparisons to show how ordinary activities can become forms of art. Anthony's style is simple, rhythmic, and easy to understand, making her poems suitable for readers of all ages. Many of her works celebrate the beauty of the natural world and encourage readers to appreciate it more deeply. Through poems like Canvas of Soil, she shows how nature and human effort together create beauty and harmony. Let us begin with the title, Canvas of Soil. Here, the poet compares soil to a canvas, just like an artist uses a canvas to create a painting. In the first line, palette of earth, rich and deep, the soil is described as rich and full of life, just like a painter's palette full of colors. The line where dreams of gardeners seep means that gardeners put their hopes and dreams into the soil while planting seeds. Next, brushstrokes of seeds planted true compares seeds to brushstrokes. Each seed is like a careful mark made by an artist. Finally, awaiting spring's vibrant hue shows that all this effort waits for spring, when plants grow and fill the world with bright colors. So this stanza tells us that gardening is like creating art, full of hope and patience. In the second stanza, blossoms bloom, a painted sight, means flowers blooming look like a beautiful painting. Dancing in the morning light shows how flowers move gently in the sunlight, almost like they are dancing. Then, shades of green, red, and blue highlights the variety of colors in nature. And finally, nature's artwork, ever new, tells us that nature is always fresh and changing, just like a new painting every day. This stanza teaches us to see nature as a living artwork full of color and life. In this final stanza, the poet focuses on the role of human effort. Each plot, a canvas wide, means every piece of land is like a blank canvas ready for creation. Where art and life coincide, shows that gardening is both an art and a part of life. Next, in the hands of those who till, highlights the importance of hardworking people, farmers and gardeners. And finally, gardens become paintings still, means their hard work turns simple land into something beautiful, like a painting. This stanza reminds us that human effort and nature together create beauty.